Guys, today is a new video about the TikTok application, and right now we will show you how to create a duet with some random film on TikTok. So guys, let's go to the For You page, and for example I want to create a duet with this TikTok. So let's tap on the share option here at the right panel of the screen and tap on the duet feature at the bottom menu. This is an effect, I will disable it. So guys, right now we have a lot of different features and I will show you how to manage them to create a cool duet. What does it mean that we will create a duet? It means that we have our first video, previous TikTok, we choose to create a duet, and our TikTok we will create right now as the reaction for the first one. So guys, let's choose the needful launcher, the needful layout for our TikTok. For example, this one, this is like a green screen. So this is my microphone, guys, and this is my hand. So for example, we can create the reaction in this way. Our first TikTok is like a background, is like a green screen. The next option is the usual splitted screen feature. So you can use this one, or we can use this option like a window. The first TikTok we choose is out in a window, like a chat, like a call, you know, like a WhatsApp call. And here we have our TikTok we will record right now. Don't forget that you can increase or decrease it using 2 fingers. And the last one is also splitted, but right now we have another orientation. So guys, for example, I want to set on this one. Don't forget also that you can choose another camera of your device after tapping on this first icon. Also, don't forget that you can activate the flash. Okay, timer. This is another option that you don't find when the usual TikTok creation. You can activate the countdown, for example, just 3 seconds. And also you can find dragging to adjust the clip length. For example, I want to set it like 10 seconds, but I don't want to activate it right now. If I will tap on the start, we will have the cut down right now, and we need to stop our reaction creation very quickly, but I don't want to do it. Discard. And guys, don't forget that you can also change the parts of the videos. For example, if we want to be on the top. Also, we can disable or activate our microphone, activate different, like usual, definitely filters for only our parts of the video. And guys, speed, we can also choose another speed, and retouch. We can always, for example, if we want to make our teeth white, our add a lipstick, for example, this one, etc. Sorry, I don't have my face here, but be sure that these options are really possible. Also, we have the usual effects features, so each of the popular effects are allowed for us when creating a duet. So guys, I hope that right now you know how to create this duet. Let's make it after tapping on this red central button. And let's stop it, okay? Let's click on the check mark to save changes. And guys, as you can check here, we can with no troubles manage settings of our newly created TikTok, adding a text, stickers, effects, filters, voice, noise reduce. After clicking on it, we can reduce some noises on our video parts, manage the volume and privacy settings, for example, activating comments, and you can also allow this video to watch only for your friends or make it private. Sorry. You can add this video as your story or public it as a usual TikTok. Remember that you will also have the hashtag duet. You can disable it delete it if you want, and you will have the tag. I also disabled it right now for the first video for which we created the reaction. You can add this after tapping on the videos option, and you can find it here, for example. So guys, I hope that right now you know how to create a very funny and cool duets. If you want to check another tutorials about the TikTok and other applications, you can find and subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel HardReset.Info. Bye guys, good luck!